Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both bike and phone. Make sure the AeroX V3 battery reads above 4 volts and your phone Bluetooth is active. Once done, install and open Connect, then grant the app location, Bluetooth, and notification permissions so it can discover the scooter. Now turn the ignition to on and tap Add Vehicle in the app. Select AeroX V3 from the list. This first pairing step establishes the BLE link that lets the app read diagnostics and manage settings. Once paired, allow the app to sync firmware and vehicle data fully. Do not force close the app while it reaches 100%. After syncing, configure ride alerts, geofence zones, and notification preferences so your phone reflects the scooter's state. This saves time and prevents missed warnings. Next, enable ECU diagnostics to pull error logs and run a quick health scan so you know if anything needs attention. Make sure to save settings and confirm the dashboard displays the values you expect. To use daily, open Connect before you ride to view real-time speed, estimated range, and active alerts. This gives situational awareness and reduces surprises. After the ride, sync the trip log and battery history so trends are recorded and you can spot degradation early. Then back up important settings inside the app. If pairing or data updates fail, try a quick fix. Reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reinitiate the Add Vehicle workflow. If that still fails, check battery voltage and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.